Here is a clear, detailed discussion of what Maulana Jalaluddin Rumi taught about religion, based on his famous writings. 1. Religion for Rumi is not just rituals, it is awakening. Rumi saw that many people reduce religion to outward worship customs, social identity, but he taught that the real purpose of religion is to wake the soul up and connect it with God. In the Masnavi, he repeatedly criticizes empty formality. A body without a soul is dead, so is religion without love and awareness. His point: religion must change your heart and character, otherwise it is just tradition. 2. Love is the essence of religion in Rumi's view. Among all his teachings, the strongest was about love, ishq, divine love. He believed love is not against religion, it is the inner core of religion. He famously wrote in the Divan-e-Shams, "My religion is love. Wherever love turns, that is my Qibla." This does not mean he had no religion. He meant that when a person reaches true love of God, all actions become worship. For Rumi, Islamic law is body, love calls soul. Without the soul, the body is useless. Rumi opposed religious arrogance and hypocrisy. He strongly disliked people who used religion to feel better than others. In the Masnavi, he explains through stories that a proud worshipper can be farther from God, a sincere sinner can be closer. He mocked those who prayed publicly for fame but were cruel inside. Message: God looks at the heart, not your title or clothes. 4. Rumi believed the truth is one, even if paths look different. Rumi respected the prophets and did not reject other religions. He taught, different religions are like different languages explaining the same reality. He compared religions to lamps, different shapes. But one light, he explained. The ways are many, but the destination is one. This is why people from different backgrounds love Rumi. 5. But Rumi himself remained a devoted Muslim. Some people misunderstand Rumi and think he left Islam. That is not true. He taught Quran, quoted Hadith, led prayers, followed Islamic law. His universal language of love did not cancel his faith. It deepened it. 6. Rumi's main message about religion in one sentence. Religion is not about looking holy. It is about becoming real. For Rumi, real religion, self-purification. Real worship was remembrance. Real faith, love, humility. Real knowledge, knowing yourself and God. Simple summary, normal religion. Rumi's teaching practice, transformation. Ritual, relationship label. Love, pride, humility.